Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to watch paid movies on Google for free. So if you've seen websites claiming they can unlock any paid movie on Google for free, then here's what you should know. The truth is there isn't a legitimate way to bypass payment and watch a paid movie for free. However, you can legally find free movies through services that offer ad-supported content, free promotions, or movies included with an existing subscription. You can also check YouTube or other legitimate streaming platforms for movies that are officially available to watch for free. And if a movie is listed as a paid rental or purchase on Google TV, then you'll need to pay for it unless an official promotion or free offer is available. So that was how to find movies you can legally watch for free. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.